Hello everybody, my name is Gabriele Caccia, and today I would like to present to you our Omega range of machines. This one on view is our Omega M machine with elevator and integrated metal detector plus roll fill assembly. The Omega range of machines are a shredder extruder systems and can process almost any form of scrap material, rails, slats, lamps, pipes, pieces and startup materials. The shredder size reduces the material before it is fed into the extruder and then repelletized. The model you will see here is an Omega M non-vented water pelletizer systems, and we are running PE film scrap material. The material is being fed into the machines either via the elevator with an integrated metal detector or via the roll fit unit. Optionally, a trim basket can also be fitted to the top of the shredder hood. As mentioned, the Omega is a shredder-extruder combination. The shredder design is unique to PLASMAC. The slow-rotating shredder rotor generates virtually no heat and minimal dust, meaning it is not necessary to water-cool the rotor or to transfer the system. The screen is also a unique design to PLASMAC. The material, one size reduced, is then fed into the auger where it is transferred to the extruder. Again, no cooling water or compressor is needed for this operation. And this is why the Omega is a market-leading energy-efficient machine. The Omegas all use what we call short screw technology. This short screw technology has a host of benefits which I would like to explain to you now. Firstly, short screw technology, or SST, means we apply very little shear to the material. The residence time in the barrel is reduced, and we typically run the materials being processed at 20-25% lower temperature than you would on the extrusion line. This means the material has an absolute minimum of melt history being put into it, a minimal amount of shear, and therefore by default the absolute minimum amount of material degradation takes place. SST also means we can use smaller motors and gearboxes to turn the screw and process the material. We also need fewer heat zones. All of this means that the Omega range of machines are, without any doubt, the most cost-effective machines on the market. This particular unit uses less than 40 kilowatt of energy to produce up to 180 kilo per hour of material, meaning it produces more than 4.5 kilogram per kilowatt or less than 0.22 kilowatt per kilogram, ensuring you get the quickest return of investment possible from such a machine. A short screw also means a compact machine. The Omega M has a small footprint for such a line, meaning you free up value for space for other operations. When running offline scrap, PLASMAC recommends using a screen changer. Here you can see one of PLASMAC's manual screen changer for this application. The simple but effective design ensures a high level of filtration is achieved. If required, a hydraulic or even a fully automatic backflashing screen changer can be installed. The pelletizing system is PLASMAC's ultra-compact hydro-cooled pelletizing systems. The stainless steel cutting chamber is mounted on a linear rail for simple opening and closing. Two pumps are used, one to feed the collector or cutting chamber, and the other circulates the water from the tank through a heat exchanger and back into the tank to maintain a constant water temperature. It is a closed-loop system, the only water using through evaporation, which is negligible. A flow sensor with integrated thermocouple means the control system of the machine is able to sense that the correct flow of water is being sent to the cutting chamber, and should the inbuilt filter start to become blocked, it will warn the operator they need cleaning. The thermocouple allows the tank water temperature to be displayed on the operator's HMI. A vertical centrifuge dries the pellets before they are conveyed to the cyclone via Venturi blowing systems. In summary, I present to you the Omega M water-cooled pelletizing machine with an elevator and an integrated metal detector, a market-leading machine for energy efficiency that is compact, extremely versatile, and produces near virgin quality pellets. Thank you very much.